So you're facing a problem where your Just Eat is not arriving. Well, this might be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. Let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply track your order in real time on the application. All you need to do is simply go to the order tab. Simply go to the order tab and select the specific order you want to track and tap on track. Normally what happens is deliveries often arrive within the 10 minutes of the estimated time of arrival or ETA. If none of it works, then you might need to simply go ahead and talk to the courier via the application, or you could also contact the restaurant. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and tap on the Get Help feature, select the relevant order in your history, click on Get Help, and choose the option indicating your food never arrived. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.